Hey everybody, welcome back to LX Institute of Commerce. So today we are gonna begin with the next topic of discrete series. I hope you remember that we have started the mean chapter, average, and in that we have started discrete series. Symbols of discrete series are x and f. X means the variable, f means the frequency. Variable means anything that varies with the time, and frequency means the number of times a variable occurs. We have already discussed about this. So direct method we have done. Now we are gonna do the shortcut method. Shortcut method under discrete series. Formula to calculate mean is A plus summation FD upon summation F. See, A means assumed mean, or you can say the assumed term. D means deviation, and deviation can be calculated as D is equal to x minus A. X is the variable and A is assumed out of the x column only, so that will be D, deviation. Summation means sum total, and summation F means sum total of the frequency. So let's do one illustration related with this formula under the discrete series only. This is just an illustration. So I'm considering x as 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. And frequency is 1, 7, 3, 5, 2. Now the formula to calculate mean is A plus summation FD upon summation F. Okay, we have to assume out of the x. The very first step is to calculate D. D is equal to x minus A. A means assumed. You can assume any item out of this x. It's better to choose the middle one. It will make your calculations easy. देखो शॉर्टकट मेथड बना ही इसलिए है सो दैट आपकी कैलकुलेशंस में कुछ शॉर्टकट आ जाए, सो दैट आपकी कैलकुलेशंस जल्दी हो जाएं. तो अगर आप मिडल वाला टर्म चूज़ करते हो तो इससे क्या होगा, ऊपर वाले टर्म्स माइनस में हो जाएंगे, इसके बाद वाले जो टर्म्स हैं वो पॉजिटिव आ जाएंगे, प्लस माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो समेशन डी ज़ीरो आ जाएगा. ठीक है, अदरवाइज इट्स अप टू यू, आप कौन सा भी चूज़ कर सकते हैं. ऐसा कुछ हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है कि आपको मिडिल वाला ही चूज़ करना है. assumed means you are gonna assume any variable out of this, but as per the shortcut method, to make the shortcut method relevant we must choose the middle one. Okay, so I'm considering A as 30. X minus A means 10 minus 30 minus 20, 20 minus 30 minus 10, 30 minus 30 0, 40 minus 30, 50 minus 30. I hope you can understand this. So you can verify that summation D will be equal to 0. See, minus 20 and minus 10 is minus 30 and this is 30. Plus minus cancel, so will be 0. Okay, next is we require FD. As per the formula, we require FD. Means frequency into deviation. 1 into minus 20, this will be minus 20. 7 into minus 10, minus 70, 0, 50 and 40. Once I am erasing this formula, because you people are so much intelligent, so you can remember this for a while. Okay, now what we have to do is, for calculating mean, we require A plus summation FD upon summation F. Now we have to do the sum total of this, and this will become summation FD. Minus 70 and minus 20 will become minus 90 and this will be 90 and summation FD is also 0 coincidentally. तो assumed क्या लिया था हमने 30. Let me write on another side as it's not visible. So assume था हमारा 30 plus summation FD is 0 upon summation F. We have to add up this frequency and this will be 18. So 0 upon 18. So 0 upon 18 means 0. 0 upon something is 0. 30 plus 0 will be equal to 30 and this is your answer. If you find any doubt in this, do let me know. Otherwise आपकी बुक में चैप्टर होगा मेजर्स ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी, उसमें एवरेज या फिर मीन करके एक टॉपिक होगा जिसमें डिस्क्रीट सीरीज का ये शॉर्टकट मेथड है. सो दिस इज द मेथड टू कैलकुलेट द मीन by using shortcut and that shortcut is by assuming some value. Thank you so much.